Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the basics of engine diagnostics, let's dive into how to actually interpret those error codes and what you can do with that information. You'll be able to troubleshoot like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. Interpreting diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. When your truck's check engine light pops on, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But that glowing signal is more than just a warning. It's a direct line of communication telling you something's not quite right. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are at the heart of this system, acting as your truck's way of flagging problems and pointing you in the right direction for a fix. What are DTCs? DTCs, or diagnostic trouble codes, are a series of letters and numbers generated by the truck's onboard computer. These codes serve one simple purpose: they identify issues within your vehicle's systems. When something goes wrong, like a failing sensor or misfiring cylinder, the onboard diagnostic system, OBD, detects it and produces a code to describe the problem. Think of DTCs as your truck's symptom checker. They don't necessarily tell you the exact root cause, but they give you a starting point. For instance, the code might indicate a problem with your exhaust system, but you'll still need to investigate further to pinpoint whether it's a faulty oxygen sensor or something else. DTCs fall into specific categories, such as P codes, relate to the powertrain, engine and transmission. B codes, cover body systems like airbags or climate control. C codes, indicate issues in the chassis, such as steering or suspension. U codes, signal communication problems between system modules. For truck engines, P codes are the most common. These are the ones you'll typically see on a diagnostic scanner when you're troubleshooting engine performance. Why these codes matter? Each code is like a clue, guiding you to where the problem lies. Ignoring these codes might seem tempting, especially if the truck still runs. But keep in mind, many issues that start small can lead to major repairs, or even total breakdowns, if left untreated. Here's the good news. Armed with a diagnostic scanner and basic knowledge, you can decipher these codes and take appropriate action. Whether it's a DIY repair or a trip to the mechanic, knowing what these codes stand for empowers you to make smarter decisions for your truck's health. Common truck engine problems diagnosed. Truck engines can face various issues that diagnostics can identify. Understanding these frequent problems allows you to take action sooner, ensuring your truck runs efficiently. Here are some common engine problems diagnosed through modern technology. Fuel system issues. Fuel system problems can lead to poor engine performance and reduced efficiency. Diagnostics can help identify issues with the fuel pump or fuel injectors through specific codes and data readings. If you're experiencing symptoms like poor acceleration or rough idling, the fuel system might be at fault. To diagnose fuel-related issues, mechanics often start by checking fuel pressure using a gauge. If the pressure is too low, it may indicate a failing fuel pump or clogged fuel filter. Additionally, diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to fuel injection, such as P0200, can point to injector malfunctions. This type of analysis provides clear insights into whether you need to repair or replace your fuel components. Ignition system failures. The ignition system is essential for starting your truck and keeping it running smoothly. Issues here can lead to misfires, starting problems, and engine performance dips. Diagnostics often reveal problems with spark plugs, ignition coils, or wiring. A common diagnostic approach involves checking for DTCs related to the ignition system, like P0301, which indicates a misfire in cylinder 1. Mechanics can also use an oscilloscope to examine ignition signals, helping to determine if there's a weak spark or a complete failure. By pinpointing ignition problems, you can restore your truck's performance and ensure reliable starts. Cooling system malfunctions. Maintaining the right temperature is crucial for your truck's engine health. Cooling system issues, like overheating, can lead to serious damage if not addressed quickly. Diagnostics can help identify problems such as a faulty thermostat, leaking hoses, or a failing water pump. When diagnosing cooling system issues, mechanics often look at temperature readings from the engine control unit, ECU. If the coolant temperature is too high without proper cause, this might indicate a malfunction. Codes like P0115 show problems with the engine coolant temperature sensor, pointing to potential overheating. Catching these problems early ensures that your truck stays cool and operates efficiently. Benefits of regular engine diagnostics. Regular engine diagnostics offer a range of benefits that enhance your truck's performance and longevity. Keeping your engine healthy is not just about stopping problems, it's also about optimizing performance. Here are 3 significant benefits you can gain from consistent diagnostics. Improved fuel efficiency. One of the standout benefits of regular engine diagnostics is improved fuel efficiency. Often, hidden issues like misaligned sensors or clogged filters can cause your engine to work harder than it needs to. This added strain leads to higher fuel consumption. By using diagnostics to identify and address these problems, you can optimize the engine's performance. Imagine your truck operating smoothly, using less fuel while delivering the same power. Regular checks allow mechanics to fine-tune components and systems, ensuring everything operates in harmony. This not only saves you money at the pump but also reduces your carbon footprint. Extended engine life. Catching issues early can significantly extend your truck's engine life. Regular diagnostics act like a checkup for your engine, allowing you to spot problems before they escalate. For example, a small oil leak or worn-out spark plugs can develop into major engine failures if ignored. When diagnostics reveal these issues early, you can address them quickly, keeping your engine running strong. Think of it as periodic maintenance for your truck. Just as regular doctor visits can help you stay healthy, consistent diagnostics can help your engine remain in tip-top shape for years. Remember, a well-maintained engine doesn't just run better, it can also save you from costly repairs down the road. Enhanced safety on the road. Safety is a significant concern for truck drivers and operators. Regular diagnostics enhance safety by identifying potential problems that could lead to road hazards. Issues such as brake failures, faulty lights, or shifting problems can put you and others at risk. By staying on top of diagnostics, you can ensure that critical systems are functioning correctly. If the engine management system alerts you to a potential issue, attending to it means fewer close calls and better overall safety. In stressful driving situations, knowing your truck is running as it should gives you peace of mind. Regular engine diagnostics aren't just about performance, they are integral to safety on the road. When you prioritize these checks, you're making a proactive choice to protect yourself and others. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.